दोस्तों वेलकम बैक। देखो, यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स 2026 is no longer just about reading, right? It's all about retaining. Yesterday हमने पूरा macro view देखा था, and today in this final revision module we are wrapping up the economy core. हम कुछ massive data points cover करने वाले हैं, like that record low 1.7% inflation, the huge $701 billion forex shield, and the massive Viksit Bharat Gram overhaul. And honestly, there are some serious traps here. So stick around till the very end क्योंकि हम एक rapid fire MC challenge खेलेंगे. Let's see if you can actually beat the examiner today. Let's dive right in.
Quick look at the agenda for this explainer. First, the inflation divergence trap. Second, India's external sector shield. Third, the rural and banking pivot. And finally, our rapid-fire MCQ challenge.
Moving to Section 1, the inflation divergence trap.
Now, you might be wondering what's so tricky about inflation this year. Well, look at this stark contrast. एक तरफ we have headline inflation literally plummeting to an average of 1.7% for April to December 2025. I mean, ये एक multi-decade low है. But वहीं दूसरी तरफ core inflation didn't drop at all. Instead, it actually saw an uptick reaching 4.62% in December 2025. एक ग्राफ completely नीचे जा रहा है और दूसरा अचानक से ऊपर शूट कर गया.
So the absolutely crucial question is, ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Well, headline drop का main driver था एक strong disinflationary trend in food and fuel prices. Basic खाने और fuel के दाम गिरे. But core inflation ऊपर क्यों गया? It's all because of gold and silver prices. वो अपने lifetime highs hit कर रहे थे. और दोस्तों exactly यहीं पर है the ultimate UPSC trap. Examiner आपको statement देगा कि all inflation metrics are at a record low. And अगर आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया आप वहाँ फंस जाएंगे. So please note this divergence trend down in your minds. Examiner definitely यहाँ trap set करेगा.
Okay, moving on to Section 2. India's external sector shield.
जब global volatility high होती है, तभी किसी country के fundamentals actually test होते हैं. And right now, India's external sector is probably at its most resilient. Just take a look at this massive number, $701.4 billion. ये हमारा forex reserves है as of January 16, 2026. Just take a second to absorb that. ये रिजर्व हमें exactly 11 महीने के imports के लिए एक massive buffer provide करता है. It is literally our economic armor against global shocks. And the big numbers don't stop there. Moving on to the next one. $135.4 billion. ये हमारे FY25 की remittances का inflow data है. ये inward flow actually ensure करता है कि India remains the world's largest recipient of remittances. So जब भी Indian diaspora के economic impact की बात हो ना, remember this exact number. It is what keeps our economy humming along.
So what's the final result of all this external resilience? Our current account deficit, या CAD, for H1 FY26 was just 0.8% of GDP. To put that into perspective, ये एक significant drop है from the previous year's 1.3%. I mean, think about it. Forex high है, remittances record-breaking है और CAD low है. These three data points together neatly package exactly how secure our external sector actually is right now. Definitely keep these figures handy for your mains answers too.
Alright, Section 3, the rural and banking structural pivot.
दोस्तों, please take some solid mental notes here क्योंकि statement-based questions यहाँ से पक्का आएंगे. Let's break this down. Under rural development, the big news is that MGNREJA has officially been replaced by the Viksit Bharat Gram Act with a massive record allocation of 95,692 crores. Second, let's talk banking quality. Gross NPAs multi-decade low पर आ गए हैं. Literally, just 2.1% in September 2025. साथ ही एक और key trend to watch is the slippage ratio for banks, जो further dip करके 1.3% पर आ गया in that same period. And finally, for the MSME sector, RBI ने mandate किया है banks को to provide collateral-free loans up to 20 lakh rupees for MSE sector units. ये चारों के चारों points सीधे direct statements बनकर exam में आने का potential रखते हैं, so do not forget them.
And now for my favorite part, Section 4, the rapid-fire MCQ challenge. Okay, आपने डेटा तो बहुत अच्छे से absorb कर लिया है, पर अब टाइम है इस knowledge को actually test करने का. It's time to beat the examiner. Let's fire through these statements. आप अपने दिमाग में आंसर सोचिए. Ready? Statement 1. FY27 fiscal deficit target is 4.3% of GDP. Is it true? Yes, that is absolutely correct. Statement 2. Government aims for a 50% debt to GDP ratio by 2031. Also correct. Now statement 3. Core inflation hit a record low in 2025. Aha! Incorrect. Remember the exact inflation divergence trap जिसकी हमने पहले warning दी थी?
core actually ticked up to 4.62% because of gold and silver. Statement 4. SCB gross NPA fell to 2.1% in September 2025. Yes, correct. Again, a multi-decade low. Let's keep the pace up. Statement 5. The MSME collateral-free mandate for MSEs is now 20 lakh rupees. Yep, correct. Statement 6, and guys, this one is super important. For the year 2024-25, horticulture production at 362.08 million tons has actually exceeded food grain production, which was 357.73 million tons. Correct? Agriculture trends completely flip हो गए हैं यहाँ. So इस specific tonnage difference को याद रखिएगा. Statement 7, city economic regions or CERs will receive 5,000 crore rupees each over a 5-year period via a challenge mode. Yes, this urban development data point is also correct.
All right, final 3. Statement 8. India Semiconductor Mission, or ISM 2.0, has an outlay of 8,000 crore rupees for 2026-27, focusing on 3nm and 2nm tech. Correct. Statement 9. India's extreme poverty rate under the revised World Bank line stood at 5.3% in 2022-23. Correct. And finally, Statement 10. The Pruvodaya scheme includes establishing rare earth corridors in states like Odisha and Tamil Nadu. Also correct.
Phew, okay, that was some intense data retention. So think about this for a second. With our external shield stronger than ever, but core inflation showing these really sneaky traps, is the Indian economy fully bulletproof right now? Or are we just sitting in the eye of the storm? Let me know your thoughts down below. And also, honestly, what was your final score out of those 10 statements? Comment down below. मैं पर्सनली देखूंगा कि किसने ध्यान से इस फाइनल रिवीजन सेशन को ग्रास्प किया है. इफ यू वांट द फुल MCQ बैंक एंड द इकोनॉमी समरी PDF, हमारी टेलीग्राम लिंक पर जाइए, which is right there in the comments. Our economy revision is officially done and dusted. Tomorrow हम स्टार्ट करेंगे environment and ecology की सीरीज. अपना रिवीजन सॉलिड रखिए, keep practicing and stay on track for Mission 2026. See you tomorrow.